Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I have some really amazing news, and it came in the form of an article written by an Italian journalist, but they took the data directly from Gateway.com, and Gateway.com is a very big website dealing with properties in Europe and especially in Italy. So it was a very interesting article. It's very funny because it talked about, how Americans are really coming over to Italy in droves and really making requests for information on Gateway.com, and they're like, yeah, it's very interesting. People are very interested in Calabria. Oh, and in Calabria, it's really the area of Cosenza, and if you look at municipalities, it's Scalea. I'm going to put up the stats from immobiliare.it that show when we started our marketing activities and developed our networks here in Scalea and what has happened ever since. It's actually quite funny, and everybody's scratching their head. What is this? What is this? And we're going, whoa. It's very easy to see the influence of what can be done when you have a marketing team like us, but you have this magnificent network of associates that are really boots on the ground. We have been referring so many people to our associates. They have been finding properties for them. They've been handling all of the details of the property purchase. They've been making sure they get settled. And it's done on a huge scale. And I have to say that when Pete and I first got here and coined the phrase Calabria is booming, we are now seeing Calabria is booming, not only in Santa Domenica Talao, where we first focused our attention, but also in Scalea and the surrounding area. So here's a huge shout out to all of our associate agencies down in Scalea and the Riviera di Cedri, all of the people in Santa Domenica Talao that helped us make this a huge success. There's no way two people on our own could do something like this, but when everybody gets together and you've got all the best, most passionate, most dedicated, most ethical people all aligning their interests and forces in the same direction, you can actually achieve anything. And we are so happy and excited, and we feel like we're just getting started. So stay tuned, you guys. This whole area is really starting to come into its own, and we could not be happier. And all in all, it's thanks to you guys too for following the channel, for trusting and believing in us, for coming over and putting yourselves in the hands of our associate agents. We could not be more blessed to have you guys coming in and putting your faith in us to help you achieve your dreams. So we are so excited. There's so much more to come. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.